Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, in this question we have been given certain situations and we have to describe what will happen in each of the situation. And we have to assume that sucrose molecules are too big and cannot cross the pores of the cellophane bag. The first situation is that the cellophane bag is filled with 20% sucrose, which is suspended in a beaker of water. So since sucrose molecules cannot cross the pores of the cellophane bag, what will happen that the water molecule will move into the bag through the process of osmosis in order to balance the concentration of sucrose inside and outside of the bag. As a result, the volume of the solution inside the bag will increase. Another situation is cellophane bag is filled with 40% sucrose and then it is suspended in a beaker of water. And in this case also, since sucrose cannot move or sucrose cannot pass the cellophane membrane, so the water molecule will move inside the bag to balance the concentration of sucrose inside and outside the bag, and the movement of molecules of water will occur through the process of osmosis, which will result into the increase in the volume of cellophane bag containing sucrose. Another situation is that we have to compare the rate of change in case of situation first containing 20% sucrose and situation second in which there is 40% sucrose. So comparing the expected rate of change of situation A with situation B, the rate of change in part B, a situation which contains 40% of sucrose, will be faster than in part A. This is because concentration of or the concentration gradient between inside and outside the bag is greater in part B than in part A, so leading to a faster movement of water molecules into the bag in part B, which contains 40% sucrose. Another situation is a bag which is filled with water, and then this water filled bag is suspended into a beaker of 40% sucrose. As we know that sucrose cannot pass through the cellophane membrane, so water from the bag will come out into the sucrose solution through the process of osmosis to balance the concentration of sucrose inside and outside of the bag. As a result, the volume of the bag which contains water will decrease. I hope you found the video useful. Thank you.